from Calbayog Boxing Gym, Calbayog City, Gilbert Perez!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome his opponent here inside the ring, the fighter from the red corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the red corner, from ATK Promotions of Masbate, Mark Sabang!
Ladies and gentlemen, this next bout is 4 rounds under super bantamweight category, presented to us by Governor Antonio Cos, ATK Promotions. Once again, this is Bakbakan sa Masbate 2nd edition boxing event. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout is sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board, Chairman Attorney Francisco Rivera, Assistant Chief for Pro Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Mr. Kenner So. Ladies and gentlemen, judges for this bout scoring this contest in the 10-point must system will be Al Yaneta, Gerald Dumeldan, and Oliver Garcia. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, Sammy Bernabe. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing a white with black, official weight 118 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, he has no victory with 1 defeat. Proudly representing Calbayog Boxing Gym of Calbayog City, introducing Gilbert Perez. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing black with the red, official weight 118 pounds, professional record 1 victory with 1 defeat, and he has 1 bout even. Proudly representing ATK Boxing Promotions of Masbate, ladies and gentlemen, Mark Sabang. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee Sammy Bernabe. Round number 1.
Sibuk kayak gini ya.
End of the bout. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, after 2 minutes and 48 seconds of the very first round, your winner by technical knockout, the pride of Masbate, Mark Sabang! Ladies and gentlemen,